Welcome back to Product Critique, your ultimate destination for in-depth product reviews. Today, we're diving into the world of smartphone accessories, specifically focusing on the latest innovation for Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 owners. Introducing the best Samsung Flip 4 case clear available in the market. This sleek and innovative accessory is designed to provide maximum protection while showcasing the original beauty of your device. Crafted by SQMCase, this case is tailor-made for the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4, ensuring a perfect fit and compatibility. But what sets this case apart from the rest? Let's dive into the details. First and foremost, let's talk about protection. The SQMCase Clear Flip 4 case is engineered with a unique hinge protection design. This innovative feature fully safeguards the delicate hinge of your device, providing 360-degree protection against scratches and damage. With SQMCase, you can open and close your Galaxy Z Flip 4 with ease, without worrying about wear and tear on the hinge. Plus, the crystal clear back allows your phone's original color to shine through while keeping it safe from everyday bumps and scratches. But protection is just the beginning. This case is constructed from premium PC and TPU materials, offering a perfect balance of durability and lightweight design. The soft frame ensures a snug fit without compromising on protection. And here's the best part. This case supports wireless charging, so you can conveniently power up your Galaxy Z Flip 4 without ever needing to remove the case. In conclusion, if you're in the market for the ultimate protection for your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4, look no further than the SQMCase Clear Flip 4 case. With its innovative hinge protection, premium materials, and sleek design, it's the perfect companion for your device. That wraps up today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product reviews and recommendations. Until next time, this is Product Critique signing off.